You know what's wild? Black holes. They're like these cosmic monsters that just suck everything in. Stars, planets, even light can't escape them. Basically, they form when really massive stars die and collapse under their own gravity, creating this point in space where the pull is so strong that nothing can get out. It's called the event horizon, and once you cross that line, it's game over, no coming back. What's crazy is that these things can be millions of times heavier than our sun but are squished down to the size of a city. They're like the ultimate space vacuums, warping everything around them, even bending light. But it's not all bad, they actually help shape galaxies and keep the universe in check. What's even wilder is that we can't see black holes directly because they suck in all the light, but we've actually managed to capture a photo of one. In 2019, scientists got the first ever image of a black hole using a network of telescopes around the world, showing this glowing ring of gas and dust around a pitch-black center. It's mind-blowing to think we've actually seen something that defies the laws of physics as we know them. The biggest known black hole is called TON 618, and it's an absolute monster. This black hole is a type of supermassive black hole located in a distant quasar, about 10.4 billion light-years away from Earth. How big is it? TON 618 has an estimated mass of around 66 billion times the mass of our Sun. To put that in perspective, it's about 15,000 times more massive than the supermassive black hole at the center of our galaxy, the Milky Way, which is already enormous. If TON 618 were placed at the center of our solar system, its event horizon would stretch out past the orbit of Pluto. This colossal size makes TON 618 one of the most extreme objects we know of in the universe, showing just how wild and diverse black holes can get.